The 840 incubators and ovens that the BIOBASE went a bed for are ready to go. Those products will help upgrade Central Asia's scientific research and medical infrastructure. BIOBASE incubators and ovens are favored by many universities, research institutes, and other customers due to their performance advantage and rich variety. BIOBASE offers a wide range of incubators and drying ovens, including CO2 incubators, biochemistry incubators, vacuum drying ovens, and constant temperature drying ovens to accommodate diverse experimental needs. If you have any related product needs, please contact us. BIOBASE looks forward to cooperating with you.